got coming in the van here. Got the air compressor running. Got JT on the back, and we're going to put a pretty good sized job on this interior. We're not going to get the steamer out, but we're going to get this one tidied up, and pretty much just a good wash and blow everything out. We're going to use Optimum no rinse to spray everything down to get the loose ashes and all from this tobacco. And then we're going to wipe everything down and blow everything out, vacuum everything, and get it a good nice wash, guys. So all right, so we got this bad boy cleaned up. We spent an hour on it, and in 1 hour's time, the way we are starting to sell our services, in 1 hour's time, we turn what you saw into this. All this was removed and detailed underneath. It's got some burn marks in there, but I got a guy that can fix the burn marks. He can probably sand and re-dye that. Did a layer of a Meguiar's spray sealant on top of it. This car was previously ceramic coated by us with a 5-year ceramic coating, so the exterior was pretty easy to clean up. It just released all the dirt particles, and we were just stuck to washing like road grime. So we got all this came out real nice. The driver's section came out real nice, guys. So there it is, guys. 1 hour special. All right, guys, so we're in the parking garage here, as you can see. Taking Jay's nice little Mercedes, taking it out to start a wash process on it. What's up, guys? I failed to take you all around we've been all through downtown today. Been kind of slack on the videos, but we just pulled up to do a detail, what we call like a yearly maintenance detail. We do that once a month on this particular car for this particular customer. So what we got is inside that Tornador right there. That's Optimum no rinse, and we're just blasting everything down with Optimum no rinse, and that's how we maintain this car on a routine basis. This is it's a pretty cool car, guys. It's a chauffeur edition, so it's got the refrigerator and the reclining back seat and all that cool stuff. So a really nice car there that we're getting dialed in, and we just got some exciting news. We've been taking care of this particular car for this customer in the downtown area, I think for 8 years, if I'm not mistaken. So we just found out he has ordered a new vehicle. I know what it is. I'm not going to tell you guys, but it is a step up from this Chauffeur's Edition S550, which is a really nice car. So the next one, he's got to top this one. So the next one is extremely nice, guys. We'll have you a video of that at some point in time. But